Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Netaji Tally Education Center. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Friends, in my previous video, we discussed about how to create canteen deduction payhead, reimbursement payhead, salary advance payhead, gratuity payhead, bonus payhead. But today, how to create payable ledgers in payheads. So regarding this, we discuss one by one. So payable means outstanding. For your reference, note down this. Payable payheads. That means with a salary payable ledger, you can account for the salary that is earned by an employee but has not yet been paid. Still it is pending, but we are adjusted to these ledgers: salary payable, PF payable, ESI payable, NPS payable, income tax payable. So whenever you going to making the payment of this, you have to select salary payable and credit to bank. Okay friends, so regarding this, how to create one by one. Go to Gateway of Tally, select create, go to payroll master. In that you have to select payhead, type it, salary payable, payhead type. Don't select all these payhead types. We have to select only not applicable because this is not related to any payhead types. This is only outstanding ledger. So select not applicable. Under current liability, select current liability. So next ledger, PF payable. Payhead type, select not applicable. Under current liabilities. Next one, ESI payable. ESI payable. Payhead type, not applicable. Under current liabilities. Next one, NPS payable. NPS payable. Payhead type, select not applicable. Under current liabilities. So last one, income tax payable. Income tax payable. Payhead type, not applicable. Under current liability. Okay friends, do you understand how to create the payable pay ledger in payroll option? Okay friends, I am extremely sorry, I forgot to create one payhead ledger, that is LTA. LTA means leave travel allowances. That one I forgot to show you. Please note down today in this video. Okay. Leave travel allowances. Leave travel allowances, as the name suggests, is a tax exemption for an allowance paid to the employee by the employer for travel expenses incurred while he or she is on leave. There are many conditions to leave travel allowance, and hence one needs to plan their travel accordingly for the purpose of claiming LTA exemption successfully. The Income Tax Department has listed down the rules and regulations with regards to claiming exemptions under leave travel allowances. Conditions for claiming LTA. The claimant needs to cover the actual journey in order to be eligible for claiming the exemption. The travel should be within the boundaries of the country. Hence, international travel is not eligible to be claimed or covered under LTA. To be eligible for exemption, the employee or the claimant must be traveling alone or with his or her family. The definition of family includes the spouse of the employee, children, dependent parents, siblings of the employee. The exemption is limited to only 2 children of the employee who are born after 1st October 1998. This means children born before 1st October 1998 do not come under the restriction of 2 children. LTA exemption. Leave travel allowances exemption is given only on the actual cost of travel, which is the transport fare incurred on bus, aeroplane or railway. No other expenses of travel like sightseeing, hotel stay expenses on food, etc. can be used for LTA exemption. So, this type of expenses not related to LTA exemption. It's related only for traveling, leave traveling allowances. The actual exemption depends on the LTA provided by the employer. For example, if the LTA given by the employer rupees 35,000 and actually eligible cost of travel incurred by the employee is rupees 25,000, then the exemption will be granted on only 25,000 and balance rupees 10,000 would be included in taxable salary income. For example, employee received 35,000 rupees LTA, but actually it is exempted up to rupees 25,000. So 35,000 minus 25,000, remaining 10,000, that is the taxable amount. Okay friends? Okay, go to the gateway of Tally, create payroll master, select pay head, LTA, pay head type, earnings for employees, fixed, indirect expenses, affect net salary as, name to be displayed in payslip LTA, use for calculation of gratuity no, set alter income tax details set to yes. Select income tax component, leave travel allowance on projected value, calculation type, select as user defined value, accept. Okay friends, now you understand how to create the payable pay heads and one more pay head, that is LTA, leave travel allowances. Okay friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Thank you for watching my video.